Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all the videos we post in future from totsandmoms.com.
Hi guys, welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavita Prashant and today I'm going to show you an easy way of using millet in your daily diet. So this is one such recipe which I tried once and I have been making it lots of time with lots of millets, not just foxtail millet and tur dal. I try with multiple combinations. So Millet BisiBeleBath today I'm going to make using foxtail millet and tur dal. Let's dive right in and see how to make it.
I'm taking a pressure cooker and adding ghee to it. The measurement of all the ingredients is given in the description box with a link to our blog. Please have a look. I'm adding mustard seeds now. Allow it to splatter completely and then we will add curry leaves. This tadka is typically added after cooking all the vegetable, rice and dal, but as it is an instant method, I'm doing it in the beginning only. So now I'm adding vegetables, peas, carrot, potato, you can even add brinjal, and tomato is also getting into this, and we will mix it and fry it for about 2 minutes. Just until the raw smell goes. And now I'm adding in barnyard millet. Yes, I have told about foxtail millet in the introduction, but this was available when I was making it. And yes, the beauty of this Millet BisiBeleBath is that you can add any variation. So I've just rinsed it and now I'm adding it into these vegetables. Now I'm adding tur dal to it. This is again rinsed dal. You can even make variations here. You can add masoor dal, moong dal or any split dal as per your convenience. And now I'm mixing it and cooking it for another 2 minutes. And here goes hot water. Piping hot water is good because it is an instant recipe. You can make it quick. So keep that ready in another stove and you can just pour in later once it's done. Now it's time to add masala. I'm adding BisiBeleBath powder. This is available in any grocery store. If not, you can just add in Sambar powder. It's absolutely fine. Followed by salt, and the beauty ingredients of this BisiBeleBath are jaggery and tamarind. So here goes jaggery now. Once we'll mix it up, ensuring there are no lumps of sambar powder. If you doubt, just take a bowl, mix in salt and BisiBeleBath powder in a little water, make a paste and then add. Here goes in tamarind juice. As I said, the beauty of this recipe are only by jaggery and tamarind, so don't miss it. It makes a yummy, tangy BisiBeleBath using this on however measurement you want. So give a quick mix. Now it's ready to get into the power of pressure cooking. So we will cook it for about 3 whistles. Just until the vegetable, dal, rice, everything is cooked. You can, yes, pan cook it, but it will take a lot of time. Three whistles are done. Allow it to cool down and then open and check. You can find it well cooked and very tasty. Yeah, it will be in very smooth texture and it is always eaten in this texture only, a gravy sort of a texture, and with a dollop of ghee pouring over it, it would be really yummy. You can add in, and accompaniments for this would be bundi or even raita, which is called as mosaru bhaji here. So our instant millet BisiBeleBath, an easy yummy recipe for your daily breakfast, is all ready.
Millets are a superfood and there is no second thought about it. It's world known and we don't need anything from outside our country. So to even support our farmers, it's really good to use millet in our daily life, apart from keeping yourself healthy. So if you like this video, if you like this recipe, if you want us to make more millet recipes, don't forget to like, comment and share this video. We'll see you soon in yet another video. Take care of yourself. Till then, help us reach more subscribers, please. Bye-bye.